Welcome, dear wanderer, to Earth with Nature, a tranquil sanctuary in the vast digital cosmos where we pause to breathe, to wonder, and to connect with the universe in a gentle, unhurried way. Tonight, as the world quiets around you, whether under a starlit sky or the soft glow of your room, I invite you to settle in, to let go of the day's rush, and join me on a journey to our closest celestial companion, the Moon, while pondering Earth's place among countless worlds. If this moment of calm speaks to you, consider liking this video, subscribing to Earth with Nature for more cosmic reflections, and sharing in the comments where you're tuning in from and what the night sky looks like for you. Let's build this little community, stretched across time zones and horizons, united by curiosity. Now take a slow, deep breath, and exhale. Feel the stillness. Imagine the moon hanging silently above, a pale guardian that's watched over Earth for eons, holding secrets older than our oldest stories. Have you ever gazed at its cratered face and felt a pull, a quiet mystery calling to you? Tonight, we'll uncover hidden truths about this familiar stranger, 39 lunar marvels that reveal it's not just a satellite, but a key to understanding Earth's fragility, habitability, and our dreams of other worlds. We'll weave these lunar wonders into the broader tapestry of cosmic wonder, exploring how the moon mirrors the exoplanet mysteries we chase across the stars. This is science to soothe the soul, a peaceful narrative to drift with, perhaps even to fall asleep to, as we let the universe's whispers cradle us. Picture the moon's ghostly light filtering through your window, or if it's day where you are, imagine its quiet presence beyond the blue. What does it stir in you? Let that question linger as we begin, stepping softly into a story of lunar enigmas and planetary science facts that remind us how interconnected we are with the cosmos, how Earth and its silvery companion might be just one chapter in a grander tale of worlds waiting to be known. Let's start close to home, with the moon's ancient scarred surface, a canvas of time that speaks in ways we're only beginning to hear. Did you know that when Apollo astronauts struck the lunar surface with their equipment, it rang like a bell? During the Apollo 12 mission in 1969, seismic instruments detected vibrations that lasted nearly an hour, suggesting the moon's interior might be less dense or structured differently than Earth's, a haunting echo through the void. This strange resonance hints at secrets beneath its crust, perhaps vast hollows or a unique composition forged in cosmic violence. And that brings us to a deeper puzzle. No one truly knows how the moon came to be. The leading theory, the giant impact hypothesis, imagines a rogue planet the size of Mars, dubbed Theia, colliding with a young Earth 4.5 billion years ago, flinging molten debris into orbit that coalesced into our moon. Yet every theory has flaws. Why do Earth and Moon share such similar isotopic signatures if Theia was a foreign body? Could the Moon have formed alongside Earth, or been captured by its gravity? These unanswered questions mirror the mysteries of distant exoplanets, where we ponder how worlds form in the crucibles of stellar disks. Imagine standing on that primordial Earth, witnessing a sky ablaze with debris as the moon took shape, a violent birth tying our fates together. And here's a humbling fact. Parts of the moon are older than Earth itself, with some lunar rocks dating to 4.51 billion years, predating our planet's final solidification. This ancient witness holds Earth's earliest memories, a time capsule of cosmic infancy. As we study it with missions like NASA's Artemis program, aiming to return humans to the lunar surface by 2025, we're not just exploring the moon. We're peering into the processes that might birth habitable worlds elsewhere. Pause for a moment. Picture holding a lunar rock, older than any mountain on Earth, its surface etched by eons of silence. What stories would it tell if it could speak? Does it make you feel small or connected to something timeless? Let that thought settle as we drift deeper into lunar wonders, seeing how this silvery orb shapes Earth's habitability, just as we dream of finding other habitable zones in the vastness of space, where life might whisper under alien skies. Now, let's follow the moon's silent dance with Earth, a partnership that's shifting in ways both subtle and profound. Here's a startling truth. The moon is moving away from us, drifting farther by about 3.8 centimeters each year due to tidal forces. This slow retreat, measured precisely by laser reflectors left by Apollo missions, still operational after over 50 years, means that billions of years ago, the moon loomed much larger in our skies, and Earth's days were just 5 hours long. Its gravity tugged harder then, sculpting oceans and time itself. As it recedes, our days lengthen, and one day, far in the future, Earth's rotation may lock perfectly with the moon's orbit, each forever showing the same face to the other in a cosmic standstill. This delicate balance reminds us of Earth's fragility, a theme echoed in planetary science facts about exoplanets. The moon stabilizes Earth's axial tilt at 23.5 degrees, preventing wild wobbles that could plunge us into climatic chaos. Without it, life as we know it might never have emerged. Think of distant worlds like those in the TRAPPIST-1 system, 40 light-years away, where 7 rocky planets orbit a red dwarf star, some in the habitable zone. Do they have moons to steady their spins, to nurture conditions for life? Or do they sway chaotically, uninhabitable despite their potential? The moon's role in our story is a lens to view these cosmic questions. And consider this. The moon's size and distance create a mathematical marvel. During a total solar eclipse, it appears almost exactly the same size as the Sun, a coincidence of geometry that's rare among planetary systems we've observed. Is this chance, or a deeper design we don't yet grasp? Imagine watching an eclipse millions of years ago, when the moon was closer, its shadow vast and overwhelming. How would ancient humans have felt, seeing the sun swallowed whole? Does that shared awe across time connect you to them, to Earth, to the universe's silent rhythms? Let's hold that wonder as we explore further, seeing how the moon's mysteries ripple outward, teaching us about habitability on Earth and beyond, in a galaxy where countless worlds might await their own stabilizing companions. Let's delve into the moon's stranger secrets, each a whisper of the unknown that ties back to our quest for other worlds. Did you know the moon has a tail? A faint stream of sodium atoms, glowing under ultraviolet light, stretches behind it like a comet's trail, and twice a month, Earth passes through this ghostly wake. A cosmic touch we can't feel but can measure with telescopes. Then there's water on the moon, not as rivers or lakes, but trapped in glass beads and shadowed craters at the poles, preserved in frozen shadows that haven't seen sunlight for billions of years. NASA's SOFIA mission confirmed this in 2020, finding water molecules in sunlit areas too, hinting at resources for future lunar bases. Imagine sipping water mined from lunar soil, tasting the essence of a world beyond ours. How would that change your sense of home? Yet, the moon quakes too, with moonquakes sometimes strong enough to threaten future habitats, as recorded by Apollo seismometers, caused by cooling contractions or Earth's tidal pull. These tremors echo the seismic puzzles of exoplanets like Kepler-452b, 1,400 light-years away, where we wonder if tectonic activity, a key to Earth's habitability, exists to cycle nutrients for life. And here's a peculiar fact. The moon's dark side isn't dark at all. It's just hidden from us due to tidal locking, always facing away, bathed in sunlight as often as the near side. China's Chang'e 4 mission landed there in 2019, uncovering odd gel-like substances in the soil, sparking theories of unique mineral formations or ancient impacts. What else hides in that unseen realm? Picture yourself standing on the far side, Earth a distant blue marble over the horizon, feeling utterly alone yet tethered to home. Does that isolation stir fear, or a deeper curiosity about what other hidden sides, on moons, on exoplanets, await discovery? As we ponder this, let's remember the moon's rust patches, found in 2020, iron oxide forming despite no liquid water or oxygen, perhaps from Earth's atmospheric oxygen carried by solar winds. It's a reminder that worlds influence each other, just as Earth and the Moon do, or as distant binary planets might, sharing atmospheres or debris. Let's sit with that interconnectedness, reflecting on how lunar mysteries are a microcosm of cosmic wonder, guiding us to question what makes any world a home. Now let's trace the moon's quiet power over Earth, a force that ripples through life and time, connecting to broader implications for planetary science. The moon affects animal behavior, even humans, with studies showing coral spawning, bird migrations, and even sleep patterns syncing with lunar cycles. A 2021 study in Science Advances found humans sleep less and later around a full moon, perhaps an ancient echo of needing vigilance under brighter nights. Does its pulse stir something in you, a rhythm older than memory? Beyond biology, the moon's uneven gravity, mapped by NASA's Grail mission in 2012, reveals dense, buried impact basins called mascons, warping its pull in ways that challenge spacecraft navigation. This unevenness hints at internal structures we don't fully understand, much like the gravitational anomalies we detect on exoplanets, suggesting hidden oceans or cores. Imagine a world like Europa, Jupiter's moon, with a subsurface ocean shaped by uneven tidal forces. Could life thrive there as it does here, nudged by lunar tides? And consider ancient cultures describing a time before the moon, like certain African or Greek myths hinting at a sky without it, though science ties its origin to Earth's dawn. These stories weave human wonder into the cosmic narrative, a thread shared when we gaze at distant stars, wondering if other beings tell tales of their moons. Here's a profound fact. The moon may have had a sibling, a second moon theorized to have orbited Earth before merging with it, or our current moon, shaping its lopsided form, egg-shaped rather than perfectly round. This echoes theories of exoplanet systems with multiple moons, stabilizing or disrupting life. What if Earth had two moons now, dueling in our sky? Would our history, our tides, our very sense of balance be different? As we ponder this, let's see the moon as a mirror to Earth's past and future habitability, a stepping stone to understanding other worlds. Future missions like the Artemis base camp plan for the lunar South Pole by 2030 aim to use the moon as a launchpad to Mars and beyond, testing technologies for off-world living. This isn't just exploration. It's a rehearsal for finding or creating homes among the stars, a dream born of lunar dust and cosmic longing. Let that vision expand your thoughts as we near our final reflections, tying the moon's enigma to the vast family of potential worlds. As we draw this lunar journey to a close, let's sit with the moon's enduring presence, a silent partner in Earth's story, and what it teaches us about our place in the cosmic expanse. The moon, with its towering mountains taller than the Rockies, like Mons Huygens at 5.5 kilometers, and ancient lava seas called Maria, is a scarred testament to time, holding over 400,000 pounds of human-made debris from past missions, a bittersweet mark of our reach. Yet it's also a beacon of peace, governed by the 1967 Outer Space Treaty, ensuring it remains a shared heritage, not a battleground, a hope we carry to distant exoplanets, dreaming of cooperation over conquest. Consider this: lunar retroreflectors left by Apollo still bounce laser beams back to Earth, helping us measure its drift with millimeter precision, a bridge between past exploration and future dreams. And yet, mysteries persist. Unexplained lights on its surface, called transient lunar phenomena, seen by astronomers for centuries, or theories of vast underground lava tunnels, potential shelters for future colonies. China's recent missions found glassy, bead-like structures in lunar soil, hinting at unique geological tales. What else waits beneath? Imagine walking those tunnels, Earth a distant glow above, feeling the weight of a new frontier. Does it thrill you, or remind you of Earth's irreplaceable warmth? Here's where lunar wonder meets cosmic implication. The moon could be humanity's first off-world colony, a stepping stone to Mars or the habitable moons of distant stars, like those around Kepler-186f, 500 light-years away, where water might flow. But as we reach outward, the moon reflects Earth's fragility, its stabilization of our climate, its role in life's rhythm. Without it, would we be here, dreaming at all? So, as the night deepens or day brightens, wherever you are, let this thought settle. The moon is not just a neighbor, but a mirror to our origins, our potential, and the exoplanet mysteries we chase. If this cosmic wonder has touched you, I invite you to like this video. Subscribe to Earth with Nature for more serene explorations. And share below what the moon means to you, or what lunar mystery captivates you most. Let's keep this dialogue alive. A community of stargazers pondering our blue world and the silvery orb that guards it. Until we meet again, may the moon's quiet light, or its unseen presence, remind you of the vast, shimmering universe we're part of, where Earth is but one home among many possible, and wonder is the thread that binds us all.